Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up this cool Ronaldo Live Wallpaper on your iPhone. So it's a pretty simple way. Anyways, let's begin the video. So for this, all you need to do is to open TikTok, and you need to open this video. I will put this video link in the video description. So this video is actually made by Voice, so his link will also be in the video description, so do follow him. So all you need to do is to open this video, press on the share button on the right side, and on the share button you are going to see it says live photo. Press on live photo, and now you are going to download the live photo. Another thing is that this process is going to work for iPhone 6s and above versions which support 3D touch. So you're going to open your Photos app, and you should have this video on your Photos app, and you can see you're going to have this little live text on the top of the video as well. If you long press on it, you can see you can play it. So all you need to do is to press on this share button right here, go down, and where it says use as wallpaper, press on this button, and you can either set it for your home screen or lock screen. So make sure live photo is on. If you press on this circle, you can see it is off. Make sure that live photo is on in order for it to work. Press on set. I'm going to set it for the lock screen, and we're done. So if I close and open it again, and if I long press on it, you can see that we have this cool Ronaldo live wallpaper on our iPhone. So yeah guys, this is the simplest way that you can do it. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe